Hey there, David Hawke here, and on the back of my business card, which is probably how you got here, it talks about the 5 proven steps entrepreneurs have made to, I believe it says, increase their business. And I'm actually changing that because that's somewhat dated. I need to get my cards updated, sorry. But today, the money follows attention, and the more attention you have on your business, the more money you're going to make in your business. So the easiest way right now and the least expensive way to get the maximum amount of attention is social media. And I know you may have used social media before. Bear with me here for a second. I have case studies. Most people are not doing this right in the least, which is why you get very little engagement or very few likes or very few anything happening on your social media pages. You may have posted on Facebook for a while and given that a try and found out it really didn't work. And it does work, it's just got to be done the right way. So what I want to do is actually share with you how that works and how you can make it work for your business. And what I've done is I've created a video on the system we're using. Now this system is working for high ticket services, and it works for low ticket stuff too. I mean, we do this with a hair salon, we do it with a meat shop, so it's working for stuff that isn't that expensive, although salons can get kind of pricey. But you know, it works for selling a steak, it works for selling hair services, it works for selling remodeling kitchens, houses, roofs, air conditioning, financial advisors. We do it with financial advisors, and it works across the board. And I'll give you real quick the sequence. There's 3 sequences. So first of all, you've got a cold audience. These people have no idea who you are. And what we want to do is put video in, or an ad. We like video. We like mini commercials, like minute, minute and a half, sometimes longer, to put in front of cold audiences and get them to engage, see your business, engage with your business. And then we move them into what's called a warm audience. And these are people, obviously, who have seen you in the cold audience. They've interacted in some way. So we've moved them to a warm audience because we believe they have some kind of an interest in doing business with you. And then from there, we put them into a hot audience, which is where we actually pitch them the offer or the services and get them to buy or takes another next step, depending on what you're selling. If you're selling HVAC services, we're just going to ask for the appointment. You know, let us come to your house and do something. If it's roofing, you know, we're going to ask for an inspection. If it's remodeling, we might, there's 2 things we might do on remodeling. Depending on the job, we may offer them some type of a guide to get them to interact with us more. Because remodeling can, if you're a remodeler, you know, that can run up pretty extensive prices. So these people really have to trust you. So that's the 3 steps: cold audience, warm audience, hot audience, and then bring them through as a sale in the end. There are some really cool things happening with social media advertising right now, and your audience is there. That's the biggest thing. Your audience is there all in one group. We can get them. It's not like television where you got to advertise on 800 channels to get your entire audience, or radio or anything else. It is the most effective thing we're doing right now for people. So if you like this and you want to see more of exactly how we set this system up, I've created a little video for you. It's sellserviceswithsocialmedia.com. So check out that website. The video's there. There's no opt-in or anything. Just sellserviceswithsocialmedia.com. That link should be here on this page somewhere. Click over there, watch the video. It's about 14 and a half minutes long, and it'll tell you the exact process we're using, how we're doing it, and how we're bringing people through to the sale on the other side. So, hey, I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I've enjoyed making it for you, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Oh, also, on the Sell Services with socialmedia.com, there is a button down there. If you'd like myself and my team to help your business get more exposure, branding exposure, not just branding exposure, but sales, you know, click that button. Let's have a little chat. It will set up a 30-minute meeting. Actually, that button will go right into my calendar, let you choose a time. We'll talk about your business, applying this to your business, and see if we're a good fit. You know, if you believe we're a good fit, if I believe we're a good fit, then we will try and do something together. And hey, I look forward to talking to you soon. Check out the video. Again, sellserviceswithsocialmedia.com. See ya. Bye.